Hello everyone, this is Manishka and you are watching Manishka's Art and Craft World. So welcome to my channel. So today I am here with these beautiful bookmarks. So in today's tutorial you will be learning these beautiful bookmarks. So hope you will be loving it. So let's start. So for making our today's project we need to have all these things: Press My Craft foliage dies, scissors, satin twine, pencil, ruler, binder punch, circle punch, glue, sponge dauber, black ink, eyelids and some sentiments. So let's start. So before going further, make sure you have subscribed to our channel and do not forget to click on the bell icon. So let's move to our tutorial. So today we are going to make some bookmarks. So here I have already cut this white cardstock. It is 250 GSM cardstock, and I have cut this. It measures 3/1/4 by 2 inches. So now we are going to give it a bookmark look. So for that, here I am measuring it. From this side you have to measure on 1/2 inch, and then from here also you have to measure on 1/2 inch, and then from here also you will measure 1/2 inch, and from here also 1/2 inch. Now we will make diagonal line like that. Now we are going to cut this part using our scissors like that. So our bookmark shape is ready, or if you are having any tag punch then you can use this also. Now here I am using my circle punch for making a hole. Like that. Now I'm going to use my binder punch and this eyelid. Now it will look like this. Now we have to just color the edges of our tag using black ink. We have completed the coloring on edges of this bookmark, so let it dry for some time. As I haven't used any branded ink, so it will take time to get dry, so let it dry for some time. As I have already made some bookmarks, so for that here I have already cut some tags using my die cuts. So now let's decorate them. We have to just take our foliage dies and we have to paste it here like that. As it is also dried now, so we are going to add these foliage on this, and after that we will add these sentiments on all the 4 bookmarks. as we have added all the foliage dyes and the sentiments also, so our bookmarks are almost ready. Now we are going to add these satin twine on our tags, as I have already cut them, so I'm going to add it. It is very easy to make, and these foliages are totally beautiful, which makes our projects very beautiful. So if you are liking our video, then do subscribe our channel and do not forget to like our video, and please share as much as you can. So our tags are ready now. Hope you all would love it. If you are liking our videos, then keep watching Monishka's Art and Craft World. And thanks a lot for subscribing, and thanks a lot for watching our videos. So as all the bookmarks are ready, so thank you for watching our channel. Keep watching.